Hi you all! Once again welcome to Let's Be Foodie cooking channel. Today I am going to share very famous Indian dessert. It's carrot halwa, which is mostly prepared in winters. Quickly let's have a look at the ingredients. Let's start preparing our halwa. First I'll add shredded carrot. I have taken 6 medium-sized carrot. Now add 2 tablespoons clarified butter, which is ghee. Give it a good mix. After mixing it well, you can see now it has got nice coating of clarified butter. Let's microwave this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I have taken out from the microwave. Now I'll add condensed milk, about 50 grams. It's a sweetened condensed milk. Give it a good mix. After mixing well, add sugar. I'm adding about half cup. You can adjust as per your taste. Mix it. After mixing it well, again we'll microwave it for 2 minutes. I have taken it out from the microwave. Now I'm going to add cardamom powder. Mix it. After mixing it well, add khoya, which is also known as mava. Keep pressing the khoya so that it's get evenly combined with the carrot. Now all the ingredients are nicely combined. I'm going to microwave this again for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I have taken out from the microwave. Let's keep this aside and let it cool down. Halwa is not complete without dry fruits, so now I'm going to add some sliced almonds, sliced cashew, some chopped raisin, some sliced pistachio, and some chopped walnuts. Mix it. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon clarified butter, which is ghee. Mix this. After mixing this well, microwave it for a minute. I have taken out the dry fruits from the microwave. Mix it well and add in the carrot halwa. This smells so heavenly. Just spread it. Our rich and yummy-licious halwa is ready. Believe me, it smells so good and tastes super delicious. Serve it warm or cold the way you like it and enjoy eating this halwa. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you. Put your comments below and share your experience with us. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and share on social network as well. Like and subscribe today to Let's Be Foodie for more delicious recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye!
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much I do. Try out my other great recipes too. If you like my recipe, subscribe today. It's free. You can also follow Let's Be Foodie on Facebook, Google+, Twitter and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.